Hello guys, welcome. All right, this is Dr. Tamke talking to you. Okay, in this short video I want to show you what WhatsApp Chatgpt can do for you. Okay, so this WhatsApp Chatgpt, okay, is actually called JINNI. All right, JINNI is the name. So when you go there, just say hello to JINNI, and then JINNI will take off anything for you. So this will really go to help you for you not going to you don't need to go to your browser for you to start maybe sign up with ChatGPT, OpenAI. You don't need to do all of that again now. Okay, on WhatsApp you can ask any question and you are good to go. See, his name is JINNI ChatGPT, or you can say JINNI or OpenAI ChatGPT JINNI, or whatever name you want to give you. Right, so we're going to go there. I want to show you how it works. Okay, so let's go and see how it works. Okay, so we are here in ChatGPT, WhatsApp version of it. It's called JINNI. Okay, JINNI ChatGPT. Now you're going to say, I am JINNI ChatGPT in WhatsApp. Quick and accurate answers. Availability is what? 24/7. 24/7. Okay, and to manage your subscription, please click on the link below and all of that. Okay, so this is what happens. So that is its relation for JINNI. Now when you go down here, when you come, you can ask JINNI any question. For instance, I asked JINNI a question. I say, write a short story for kids about heaven is great, 100 words only, and then ChatGPT gave me this WhatsApp version. So for your own present, let me do something. Let me go say hello to him, and then let me see response. Okay, so I've just said hello to him. Make sure your internet is accurate. Okay, you're going to say, hi dear, how may I assist you today? Wonderful. Is it not true? Then you ask, what is Nigeria? I just got to ask funny question now, okay, for him to answer. What is Nigeria? Okay, I just got to ask that. Then click on send. What is Nigeria? JINNI go to answer. Give JINNI some time. Go to respond. You can see JINNI said Nigeria is a country located in West Africa. It is the most populous country in Africa and is known for its diverse culture. So what am I saying? You can use JINNI to answer any question you want to ask. Okay, to answer anything. Okay, whatever you're looking for, JINNI will provide for you 24/7. 24/7. As long as your internet is accurate and sound, JINNI going to give you a response. So I think you are good to go with JINNI. Okay, go and ask any question. Exploit anything you want to do. You want to create a video? Go ahead. What are you waiting for? Let's go and exploit JINNI and make it great. This is Dr. Tamke. I'm out for now. God bless you. See you in our next class.